thread the needle tutorial. Why should you do that movement? Well, because there's a lot of connection between a lot of movement, and when you do it, you do understand that one hand could go in front or the other could go in front. And this is why you do connect this with a lot of new moves. Tutorial time. I think that everybody could do just that. And you might have done it before when you were doing warm-up. So let's dive into just that. One hand on top, but the other could be on top. And this is the thread the needle. I'm just doing circle. It could be wide or not. And I will do small circle for now. My watch is on bottom here. One circle. And now my watch is on top. And now my watch is on bottom and top. I can do wide circle, but just make sure that you alternate which hand is on top. One hand on top, my watch on top, with watch. Your arm really have to be free of doing that without any tension. Just go for it with all the flow that you could find and all softness that you could. It's time to add a little something. Poi. I suggest you just to go with the poi and make sure you do wide circle at first. One wide circle, one hand on top, other on top. 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 And you will see that slowly it will happen to do a thread the needle. You can do a thread the needle without really moving arm. Or you can go for the classic, I will put one poi in front and the other in front. You will see that getting one poi in front and the other in front will happen normally. Don't try to push or to be out of softness. If you do see that you're on the wrong timing, you're accelerating, don't go there. Come back to the moment that you were soft. One hand, other. And even don't be afraid to come back to this. And you will see, if you would like to practice one hand more in front, you can go, it's true that you can extend the arm while doing a circle, and it will be kind of normal. If you do it without poi, you will have it more with poi. There is two directions for the thread the needle, coming from the outside to the center, or coming from the inside of the center. So make sure that you do possess the two directions to unlock a lot of new feature movement. So go step by step for doing the thread the needle, and don't be afraid to just step back. So there is the thread the needle tutorial. If you want to get more, just by the way, I do have a YouTube channel that I will post all the video with a non-crop version of them. And I do have new video coming soon, like all the transition from thread the needle that you could add to your flow. 30 idea, I think. Well, let's see how it will goes. See you soon. Bye bye.